everyone. I show you really quick and easy sharpening information, how to sharpen this extremely fast without any special knowledge. If you have like a set of tools, like standard tools, you need a big screwdriver to adjust these two levers, two bolts, to make sure your blade is touching edges like this. So this bolt unscrewing, the blades go up, it's going to touch better. This is down, or vice versa on both sides. The next step is to remove one wheel. I use a tool to remove it. When you take the wheel out, actually take it previously and wash it a little bit so it doesn't look ugly. Don't forget there's a pinwheel gonna fall out of this hole. You need to put it back, the stopper, and save the bolt. So we're gonna use this end. That's what it looks like inside. We're gonna clean this and grease it. It's old grease. There's bearings inside. I'm gonna use liquid grease. It's weak, like a running, but when you get inside, it's become thicker. I will do this on both sides. I made this nice and ready to go. Okay, most important part. Let's start doing. So we need to have a drill to go over top of this tip. That's about size. You can basically, if your condition is good, set off the table and let the tires hang in and do the work. But in our case, I'm gonna take this off because I will need to lubricate that as well. That's what it looks like when it's come off. Save this one. And inside it looks not as bad as the other one. I'm gonna lubricate that as well. Now we need a special sharpening grease, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to use the same grease that I have. Apply on each blade all the way around. Remember, if you didn't get it somewhere, that's not a big deal, because it's going to spread it anyway. That's it. Now we have to run this for about 8 minutes. Finally, I got all lubricated. We've got all sharpened. And we'll put it back together. That's it. Now we just have to adjust it so it's not as sketchy as it is right now. Just give a little bit of space. So we gotta push this one and lose this one. Okay, now it's all lubricated and sharpen it, and let's try it.